After Senator Amy Marcos' statement of the alleged use of China with hypersonic missiles in 25 places in the Philippines, the Armed Forces of the Philippines is taking the information seriously. Henry Nicolas has the story.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines is set to determine the information related to what Senator Amy Marcos said regarding the alleged use of China with hypersonic missiles in 25 places in the Philippines in relation to the issue of Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement or EDCA sites and the West Philippine Sea. The AFP said they are taking Senator Amy's statement seriously. AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla said they are willing to cooperate to Marcos to get details on the said information. Based on the information released by the presidential sister, 25 areas are said to be the potential targets of China's hypersonic missiles due to the EDCA sites and the tension now in the West Philippine Sea. So far, the AFP intelligence community has not yet received any information regarding China's alleged missile launch in the Philippines. In a video uploaded to the senator's social media account, she said that the Philippines has sided with China's perceived enemy by providing 17 military bases, which is the United States. She also admitted that she was afraid of the intensifying tension in WPS that she revealed statement may have came from.
Ng China na gagamitin yung hypersonic missile. Hindi naman nila iniisip na lulusob dito sa Pilipinas yung katakot-takot na army nila, mga navy nila. Hindi ganoon. Ang plano, air. At ang plano yung hypersonic missile at nakatakda na yung 25 na target nila. Kitang-kita na. Ang sabi ng US, hindi daw nila kaya labanan yung hypersonic missile.
Due to Marcos' statement, Padilla said that they're willing to seek the senator's help to get more information and take steps to ensure the security of the country. The hypersonic missile is 5 times faster than the speed of sound, so it is difficult or impossible for another air defense system to intercept it. Meanwhile, AFP Chief General Romeo Bronner Jr. said that the agency is ready to defend anyone who wants to occupy our territory. This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.